Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this week, I want to explain about conjunction. Anybody knows what is conjunction? Okay, let's see the screen. Conjunction are words that connect equivalent clauses or multi-level clauses. Conjunction is a word that can be used to connect a part with other parts in a sentence. Next slide. Conjunction function. Conjunction is used to connect a word to a word, a part to a part, a clause to a clause, or a sentence to another sentence in a paragraph. Jadi di sini fungsi konjungsi itu untuk salah satu penghubung baik kata ataupun kalimat untuk menjadi sebuah paragraf. And the next, rules for using conjunction. The first, conjunction are used to connect thoughts. Conjunction digunakan untuk menghubungkan pemikiran, aksi, dan ide kepada noun, klausa, dan bagian lain dari perkataan. For the example, Luana went to the market and bought a watermelon. And number two, for the second, conjunctions are very useful in making lists. Konjungsi sangat berguna dalam membuat daftar dan pastikan semua bagian dari kalimat sesuai dengan kata-kata yang lain. For the example, we made fried rice, eggs, and tea for supper. And the third, the someone learned to write for the first time. Ketika seseorang belajar untuk pertama kali menulis, biasanya mereka menggunakan kalimat dasar yang pendek tanpa kata penghubung. For the example, my name is Luana. I'm a girl. I like horse. And the fourth, combining short sentence. Salah satu kegunaan penting dari konjungsi adalah menggabungkan kalimat pendek supaya menjadi sesuatu paragraf yang padu. For the example, I'm a girl named Luana and I like horses. Okay, let's move for the next slide. Type of conjunction. Next slide. Number one, coordinating conjunction, and number two, subordination conjunction. In coordinating conjunction, dibagi menjadi beberapa bagian lagi. Yang pertama ada accumulative conjunction, alternative conjunction, adversative conjunction, and elitative conjunction. And in subordination conjunction, there is cause or reason, and number two, comparison, number three, conjunction, number four, coordination, number five, manner, number six, time, number seven, result. Number one, for coordinating conjunction, there is a cumulative conjunction. Cumulative conjunction is conjunction that used to add or collect. For the words in cumulative conjunction, there is and, also, both, no less than, not only, but also. And for the example sentences is number one, not only she is beautiful, but also clever. Di sini konjungsinya adalah but. And number two, I was concerned when he cried and looked at the same time. And number two, alternative conjunction. Alternative conjunction, a group of word connection which shows the meaning of alternative or choice between two or more. For the words is or, else, neither, nor, sooner, than, not. And for the example, you can choose Danny or Theo to clean the classroom. And the example number two, he neither eats nor drinks. Nah, di sini terlihat jelas konjungsinya neither dan nor. And number three, adversative conjunction. Adversative conjunction is a group of conjunction which means a contradiction between part of the sentence and other parts of the sentence, such as but, yet, still, however, while, nevertheless, while, only, in spite of, despite, though, although, in contrast, on the other hand. And for the example, I want to go to the movie with you. However, I don't have money. Nah, di sini konjungsinya adalah however sebagai penghubung antar dua kalimat antara dia ingin pergi ke menonton bersama kamu, tetapi dia tidak memiliki uang. And number two, you can take a nap while I clean the backyard. Nah, di sini terlihat jelas konjungsinya adalah while. Lanjut. And number four, illitative conjunction. Illitative conjunction is a group of conjunction used to show the cause or effect of another event of or action or show a conclusion, such as therefore, so then, consequently, thus, hence that, wherefore, accordingly, because of, for this reason, as a result, regardless. And for the example, the taxi has come, so I will go. And number two, my shirt is wet, thus I will change it. Nah, di sini konjungsinya adalah thus, karena dia membagi pembagi antar dua kalimat atau penghubung antar dua kalimat. Is subordination conjunction. Di subordination conjunction itu terbagi lagi dari 7 bagian. And number one is cause or reason. Cause or reason is a word that states the reason or cause in a sentence. And for the example sentence, I cannot go because I'm ill. Aku tidak bisa pergi karena aku sakit. Di sini terlihat dia memberi alasan kenapa dia tidak bisa pergi. And number two, the bird will fly since it has wings. Burung akan terbang karena dia mempunyai sayap. And number two, comparison. Comparison is a comparison that shows the nature of the level of one or the nature of the level is not the same time. For the example in this conjunction is I'm as tall as you. I'm sorry. I'm as tall as you. Aku sama tinggi denganmu. And number two, she is rather wise than him. For next conjunction is concation. Concation means that in a sentence there is a contradiction, but in the end, the next sentence explains conclusion. For the example, you work hard even though you are tired. Kamu bekerja keras meskipun kamu capek. Nah, di sini untuk words dari concation ini ada although, even though, provide, dan lain sebagainya. And for the next conjunction is condition. And condition have some words that is if, provided, provide, signs, whether, as if. And for the example, he will write unless he hears the fact. Dia akan menulis kecuali dia mendengar kenyataannya. And for number 2, I will fly provided I have wings. Saya akan terbang asalkan saya punya sayap. Jadi di sini condition ini lebih menjelaskan kepada alasan atau kepastian, bisa dibilang, karena I will fly provided I have wings. Saya akan terbang asalkan saya punya sayap. And number 5, manner. Cara atau taraf. There is some words in this conjunction. There is as, how, according. For the example sentence in this conjunction, I will reap as I sow. Saya akan menuai berdasarkan yang aku tabur. And number 2, the taxi hasn't arrived yet, as far as I know. Taksi belum datang sejauh aku tahu. And number 6, time. Di dalam waktu ini memiliki beberapa kalimat untuk menentukannya. Like as soon as, while, as long as, before, until, sign, still or till, whenever, ere, after. Jadi di dalam waktu ini lebih ya kita tahu untuk menentukan waktu dan kita bisa menggunakan konjungsi ini untuk melihatnya. For the example, he will help me as long as he is here. Dia akan menolong aku selama dia di sini. Terlihatkan di sini waktunya di mana. And number 2, I will wait you until you arrive. Aku akan menunggumu sampai kamu datang. And for the last conjunction, result. There is some words in this conjunction. I mean, just one word. That. For the example, I read slowly that I understand. Saya membaca dengan pelan sehingga aku mengerti. Okay, everyone. This class will end until now. I hope you understand with my explain. Oh, okay, before we end this class, any question? Oh yeah, I think all of you understand this material. Oke, kalau begitu saya akhiri pertemuan kali ini. See you next week. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you for joining this class.